this is Ashish. Welcome once again. And in this video, I'm gonna unbox this new smart LED bulb, and the brand is Smith, which is a Make in India product. As you can see, Made in India product. So that's a nice thing. And I bought this for 500 rupees from Flipkart in offer, and MRP which is quoted on the box is around 1119 rupees. So I got this for 500 rupees only. But in this cost you also get a Syska bulb with the same cost, but Syska bulb is not good as the reviews of the people in the Flipkart says that. So this is the box package, and this is a kind of a smart bulb which is connected with your phone Wi-Fi, and it is a Wi-Fi smart bulb and 10-watt bulb. So that's a nice thing. And with the specification which is quoted on the box, you can just control all the activities from your mobile phone. It has 16 million colors and also effects, so you can just play effects if you want, and scenes. So many things which you will like. So this will run both on your Android and iOS. So you have to download the app from your Play Store or App Store. As you can see, this is a QR code. I have iPhone, and when I scanned in a scanner, you can just scan it like this from your iPhone or Android phone, and it will open your Play Store. I have already downloaded the app. Let me just open that. So I have already downloaded it. Just open it up, and here we will control the bulb. First we'll unbox this bulb, how it looks, what are the contents inside the box. We'll see that. So I have opened the box, and the contents are, first we'll get this smart bulb, and I think this is the bulb, and I think something else inside this. I have to open it from here, and I think this is a information booklet and some user manual how to you can use that, and some information. So let me show you the bulb first. So this is a smart bulb, and this is a plastic build, I guess, and it's a typical simple bulb. Let me just put it in my holder, and we'll continue. So I have connected to my holder, as you can see, it is already have some effect. The light is changing, and I have downloaded the app, and it is searching for Wi-Fi. So I'm connecting this to my Wi-Fi, and I've connected that, and again I have to open the app, and in the app section I have connected. So continue. Okay, so you can control all your activities from here. So it says setup bulb. Setup, you have many options like bedroom, living room, kitchen room and bathroom. So bedroom, is searching for Wi-Fi network again. Wi-Fi, and it says your device will be ready in few seconds. So you have to wait for few seconds for full setup. It take quite long for setup, and I have to connect with my home Wi-Fi, then only it proceeded. So it says done. So continue. Couldn't add device. Let me just see that. So I've set it up the device by trying again, and now this is the home page of the bulb, and you can just turn off from here. Let me just turn off and show you guys. It is running right now with a green color. So let me just turn off. So I've turned off, so it is turned off, as you can see. Now I'll turn on. It turned on. So you can just set this like this, and it is running a single color. Let me just pick the red color. So as you can see, it is now red, blue. Yes, this is a very good color, bright color. Yellow. So it is running yellow. We have more color options like this. You can just control the colors, music, temperature, effects like this. So in this way you can just set it the bulb and use this. is quite good and bright 10-watt bulb. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like our video. If you have any doubt, just mention in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed our channel for more this type of update, just subscribe it right now. This is Ashish signing off. Thank you for now. Goodbye.